Have you ever walked into a room that feels calm, warm, and beautifully simple, and wondered why it feels so good? Scandinavian design has a way of making a space look stylish without trying too hard. And the best part is that you can create this look at home without spending a lot. Let us explore how. Scandinavian decor is not complicated. It is not about filling a space with furniture and accessories. It is about creating a calm environment where every piece has purpose. Today, I want to guide you through how to create a Scandinavian-style home using wood decor, even on a tight budget. Whether your space is large or small, modern or older, these ideas can help transform your home into a place that feels peaceful, warm, and naturally beautiful. Scandinavian style focuses on three main ideas. The first idea is simplicity. The second is warmth. And the third is nature. When these three elements work together, the room feels relaxing, balanced, and inviting. Let us look at simplicity first. In Scandinavian spaces, there is room to breathe. You do not need many objects. You only need a few items that you truly like. When choosing decor, think in terms of less but better. Focus on soft shapes, neutral colors, and open space. A room becomes more comfortable when it is not crowded. The second key is warmth, especially warmth from natural materials. This is where wood becomes important. Light-toned wood, like pine, birch, or ash, creates a soft and gentle feeling in the room. The grain of the wood adds natural texture. It reminds us of forests, cabins, and nature. Even one wooden piece, like a small stool, a frame, or a shelf, can bring warmth to a cold room. The third idea is nature. Scandinavian homes often include plants, soft fabrics, and sunlight. Natural light is very important. If you have windows, use light curtains. You want the daylight to fill the space. Even on a budget, you can choose simple white or beige fabrics that let light pass through. If natural light is limited, warm lamps can create a similar atmosphere. Now let us talk about how to build this look affordably. The best place to start is with wooden accents. Wooden accents can be shelves, trays, frames, or small furniture pieces. You do not need to buy expensive wood. You can use pallet wood, scrap wood, or wood from inexpensive hardware store boards. The key is finishing the wood in a way that feels clean and natural. Use light stain or oil finishes instead of heavy dark colors. The goal is to maintain a light and airy look. Another budget-friendly trick is using soft textiles. Throw blankets, pillows, and simple fabric cushion covers can change the feeling of a room instantly. Choose colors like cream, oatmeal, light gray, soft brown, or muted sage. These colors feel calm. They blend well with wood, and they make the room feel gentle and comfortable. Wall decor should stay simple. Scandinavian homes often feature minimal art. For example, one single large frame on the wall looks cleaner than many small pieces. You can create your own art by printing simple line drawings or nature-inspired pictures. Black and white photos also work very well with this style. Place them in simple wooden frames to keep the natural feeling. Lighting is another powerful tool. Warm light creates comfort. Use table lamps, standing lamps, or string lights to bring a soft glow into the room. Avoid bright white lighting because it can make the room feel cold or harsh. Lighting should feel gentle and welcoming. Now let us talk about the feeling of the room. Scandinavian style is not only visual, it is emotional. When someone walks into your home, they should feel at ease, centered, and calm. To support this feeling, keep surfaces clean and organized. A clutter-free space allows your mind to rest. That is why storage is important. Simple wood boxes or baskets can help keep things tidy while still looking warm and natural. Remember, creating a Scandinavian-style home is not about buying everything new. It is about selecting what matters and letting the room breathe. A single piece of wood decor can be more powerful than many artificial decorations. If you enjoy creating things with your hands, this style is perfect for you. You can build your own wooden shelves, candle holders, coat racks, or wall art. You can refinish old furniture and give it a new life using a lighter wood finish. You can add fabric or rope to wood to create soft and natural-looking pieces. Every project you make brings more of your personality into the space. Scandinavian Decor invites you to slow down, to rest, to enjoy the simple beauty of wood grain, warm light, and soft textures. Your home becomes a place where your mind can relax. Thank you for watching Craft Catalog. If you enjoyed this peaceful and practical design style, make sure you subscribe. We will continue exploring natural decor, woodcraft projects, and home styling ideas that help you create a home that feels good to live in. Your home should support your comfort and creativity, not overwhelm it. Let us continue building calm and beautiful spaces together.